So, till now we have gone through the history of 5S, purpose of 5S, what is 5S, and S1, that is SERI, means sorting. Now it's time to learn about the S2, that is SEITON, and as the name suggests, it's set in order. So in the S2, that is SEITON, set in order, what actually we do, only doing the sorting is not enough. After the sorting, unless and until we set the things in order, unless and until we utilize the required thing efficiently and effectively, and for that they have to set in order. We have to keep them in order or set them in order such that you have to ask, can see you can see that particular things clearly or not, can take out easily or not, and can return back to its original position or not. That is the purpose of setting in order. Setting in order doesn't mean you keep it somewhere where you can't see it easily. Definitely there will be, you are putting inside the drawer, you will not be able to see it from outside. We are not asking people to use the transparent drawers, but once you open the drawer, it should be clearly seen. Otherwise, again, the useful things, if they are not set in order, you will take more time to find out what is required. So it should be clearly visible to you, can see, can take out. You should be able to take it out easily without disturbing the other material, other equipment, other tools, instruments. And once the work is over, you should be able to return it back to its original position. Otherwise, how you are going to find out it quickly next time? Today you keep it in the drawer number 1, tomorrow you keep it there in the drawer number 15. How one will come to know where that thing is? So there has to be a place for the things. Now how you are going to carry out the SEITON activity? Here the role of team members come into the picture. It's a team building enhancing activity also. So discuss with your team members, because there might be a multiple users using the same things, and when we do the brainstorming along with our team members, lot of new ideas comes into the picture. Everybody has their own viewpoint. Sometimes they can give you a better solution, viable solution, sustainable solution. That's why it is important to discuss with the team members. Then you have to decide how to identify, how to and where to organize the things. Once you do that, you have to carry out the proper labeling or numbering. Like, as you can see here, when we say that can see, I can clearly see each and every spanner here. I can clearly see. That is, can see. I can see what is the number. If clear-cut number has been written here, people can know what is the number of the spanner. Can I take it out easily? Yes, I can. It is easily reachable. I can take it out. I can easily take it out. Then when I know that it is, I have taken it from here, I will never return it back here at this place, because it has been arranged like this. You see here, from this to this. If there is a numbering, then it is very good. If some numbers are there, when you remove, you know it's a 14 number range. spanner, sorry, not wrench, I will keep it here. The adjustable wrench, I know it has to be here. The Allen keys, it has to be here. The plier, it needs to be here. Because once I remove it, I can see a picture of the plier here. That is the shadow of the plier. So what I will do, I will keep it back. So can see, you can clearly see. You can take out, and at the same time, whenever you are going to, you are not going to keep this plier somewhere here, because you know there is a place for the plier. Like here, saw, clearly written, so you have to return the saw here. Sharpener, you have to keep it here. The hammer, the rubber mallet, the hammer, again different kinds of hammer. So everything is organized in such a way that you can clearly take out, you can see, you can take out, and you can return back also. The shadow boards or boxes, you can see here, this cannot be placed at this place because the length is different. So everything has its place. The different kinds of cutter, the pliers, okay, the screwdrivers, the nut openers, everything has its place. Like here, you have kept the pallets. Clearly identification is there, something is written here. You know from where you need to pick, and if it is to be returned, where to return it back. So the purpose of SEITON, that is set in order, is to arrange the material, the useful material, okay, wanted material, in such a way that you can clearly see it, you can clearly take it out, and you can return it back to its original position. So that's all about the S2, that is set on, set in order. Let's move to the S3, say so shine, in the next topic.